Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Zarina Aslam, Subject Specialist of Pakistan Studies at Division Public School and College, Sahiwal. I welcome you all in today's online class. Dear students, hope you will be fine. Let's start our today's lesson. Geography is the study of places and relationships between people and their environments. Geographers explore both the physical properties of the Earth's surface and the human societies spread across it. Geography, chapter number 7, Agriculture. Today, we will study about importance of agriculture as an economic activity. Learning objectives. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to define agriculture, discuss the importance of agriculture as an economic activity with the help of different examples. What is agriculture? Word agriculture is taken from Latin word agricultura, which means cultivate the land. Now you have seen different crops are shown here: maize, sugarcane, wheat, rice. Next, wheat, rice, etc. Not only crop cultivation is also included in agriculture. Farming of animals, livestock farming, for example, cattle, goats, sheep, buffalo, etc. is called agriculture. Most of the world population is linked with agricultural sector directly or indirectly. These people are against with agriculture directly. It means directly involved in agriculture. Direct agriculture, combining agricultural expertise and capital to generate exceptional returns for supply to meet demand. Indirectly, indirect credit refers to funds agriculture indirectly through some institutions, etc., which will be responsible for repayment. So funds availed by fertilizer dealers, state corporations, warehouses, transporting will come under indirectly agriculture. Importance of agriculture. Agriculture sector provides a major part of raw material, Supply. Supply of raw material to industries of the world is also dependent upon agriculture sector. Importance of agriculture as an economic activity. Under this topic, we will discuss the following points. Number 1, important source of income. Number 2, source of food. Number 3, main source of national income. Number 4, source of foreign exchange earning. Number 5, supply of raw material. Number 6, maintenance of balance of payment. So now we have to discuss first point, important source of income. Agricultural sector is the mainstay of world economy. Majority of the world population dependent on agriculture. Second point, source of food. Agricultural sector provides food for people of a country. For examples, wheat. Wheat is one of the oldest and most important of the cereal crop. It is used to make bread, biscuits, macaroni, cakes, roti. Vegetables. Vegetables are important source of many nutrients, including potassium, dietary fiber, vitamin A and vitamin C. Diets rich in potassium may help to maintain healthy blood pressure. Another source of food is fruit. Fruits. A wide variety of fruits are grown. Eating fruits provides health benefits. People who eat more fruits and vegetables as part of an overall healthy diet are likely to have a reduced risk of some chronic diseases. Fruits provide nutrients vital for health and maintenance of your body. Another source of food is milk. Milk provides your necessary nutrients like calcium for the development of bones and proteins for your muscles. Chicken, another source of food. Meat, eggs are also sources of food. main source of national income. Agriculture sector is the main and most important sector in the economy of many countries. At present, this sector is predominant in all productive sectors. Most of the people earn money from agriculture. Yes, number 4, source of foreign exchange earning. Agriculture sector is the biggest source of foreign exchange earnings. Foreign exchange is the conversion of one country's currency into another. Different currencies are used. For example, pound, real, US dollar, and euro. All over the world, foreign exchange is earned by exporting surplus. Surplus means more than your requirement. So, a foreign exchange is earned by exporting surplus produced to other countries. In this way, foreign exchange earned through agricultural produce plays a prominent role in the national income of any country. Number 5, supply of raw material. Agricultural sector provides raw material to main producing sectors and industries. For example, cotton. Cotton is the raw material provided to cotton yarn industries. Next, cotton yarn provides raw material to textile industries. Sugarcane is used to manufacture white sugar and other products. Seeds for oil. Number 6, maintenance of balance of payments. Agricultural sector is very effective in maintaining the balance of payments. Maintenance of balance of payment. Many countries of the world receive a major part of their income through export of agricultural products, which are balanced by import expenditures. Now is the time to revise our today's lesson through MCQs about the importance of agriculture. Choose the correct option. Number 1. Cultivation of crops and farming of cattle is called A. Trade, B. Industry, C. Fishing, D. Agriculture. Correct answer is agriculture. Number 2. Cotton and yarn is supplied to industries. A. Textile, B. Cement, C. Sugar. D. Fertilizer. Which is the correct answer? Find out. Yes. Correct answer is textile. 3. Agricultural sector is the biggest source of earnings. A. Raw material. B. Foreign exchange. C. Transport. D. Population. Which is the correct answer? Yes, correct answer is foreign exchange, B. Number 4. Agricultural produce plays a prominent role in dash of a country. Find out the answer from given options. A. Vegetables. B. Industry. C. National income. D. Fruits. Which is the correct answer? C. National income. 5. Majority of the world's population is dependent on A. Agriculture. B. Forests. C. Climate. D. Minerals. Which is the correct answer? A. Agriculture. Now it's time for your assignment. Question number 1. What is meant by agriculture? Question number 2. Describe the term maintenance of balance of payment. Thank you for this. Allah Hafiz.